What's up everyone, Dev02 here. So I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be tackling a LeetCode challenge, reverse integer, and it's a medium. Without further ado, let's just get into it. So given a signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit integer range, then return 0. So assume the environment does not allow you to store 64-bit integers, signed or unsigned. So first example, we have an input x 123, the output should be 321. Example 2, input x negative 123, output is negative 321. Input, the third example, which you're going to test against, input x is equals to 120, output is 21. It's gonna, it's going to ignore the 0 at the end because the 0 is going to be put in front. So step 1, when it came into dealing with this problem, so create a variable that converts the integer into a string by storing the absolute value, strip all the leading zeros, and then reverse the string. That is why you saw 120. When we reversed it, we removed that 0, became 221. Afterwards, store the output as an integer. Step 2, check if the output is in range or not. If it is overflown, return 0, like the way they are stipulated. So this is how I dealt with the algorithm. I implemented it in Python, fairly simple, and it was actually a very interesting. It was actually pretty interesting how I was able to come about this solution. But when you check it and put it on LeetCode, it goes through and all the test cases pass. So it was actually pretty interesting. It was actually a pretty simple algorithm to put in. And so leave your feedback down below in the comments on what language will you use to implement this, because you can implement this in C, C++, Ruby, JavaScript, Java, but I just decided to use Python because, man, I believe Python is actually pretty it's pretty interesting and easy for me to use. So happy coding.